How to make simple Ivygourd stir-fry recipe. This recipe needs only 30 minutes for the preparation. It's a tasty and quick recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. When mustard seeds start spluttering, add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Mix it well. Then add 4 chopped garlics, 2 chopped green chillies. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, add 1 chopped onion, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. We don't want to change the color of the onion.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 250 grams of chopped Ivygourd into it. Also add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Then close the lid. Cook for 7 minutes on low flame. Stir every 2 minutes in between. After 7 minutes, we can open the lid. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon fennel powder. Also add 1/4 cup of grated coconut for a special taste. Mix all together very well. Cook for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame. Our special Ivygourd stir-fry recipe is ready. We just need only 30 minutes for this tasty recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.